Natural ways to whiten your teeth. In just 3 days. This will hardly take 3 to 5 minutes per day to keep your teeth crystal white, fresh and healthy. Needed items for this procedure are: 1. Clove, crambou, 3 to 4 pieces. 2. A pinch of salt. 3. A pinch of turmeric. 4. Lemon juice half spoon. 5. Toothpaste little. Benefits of the items used here are: clove cures dental pain, toothaches, sore gums, and mouth ulcers very effectively. Turmeric is a well-known antimicrobial herb. Curcumin in turmeric can prevent gingivitis, or gum disease. It helps to remove plaque and bacteria. Salt helps to remove bacteria in hard-to-reach places. Lemon juice is only for freshness. Lemon juice is acidic and cause erosion in tooth enamel. If you sweeten lemon water with sugar, you increase risk of tooth decay also. So use few drops only. Making procedure: 1. Crush clove to powder. 2. To a small plate or cup add the crushed clove powder, a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. 3. Add half spoon fresh lemon juice to it along with little toothpaste. 4. Mix it thoroughly and leave it for couple of minutes so that the essence of clove mixes well. Now brush your teeth as usual with this. That's it for your healthy teeth. Other important tips are: always brush up-down directions on front side of teeth. Brush teeth every day at nights. This will avoid most of the damages happening to teeth at night due to bacteria. Use natural items than using chemical-based products. Googling mouth after every meal removes accumulation of solid particles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe here for more useful videos.